What is up, motherfuckers? It is the morning of January 13th. Today's video, we're going to be building an email rating tool using Relevance AI. Now, if you watch my AI stacks video, you know that this is a tool that I swear by. I'm going to go through all the tools that I use, how I set up the agent, how I prompt it, and everything under the sun. So, firstly, I want to go over what Relevance AI is, because last video I didn't do that, or last video I did do that, but if you're not watching that video, go watch it. But if you want a quick rundown, Relevance AI is an AI agent making tool, makes automations, makes agents. You have tools, simple automations, you have agents that do the automations for you, and then you have workforces, which is a bunch of agents doing specific tasks for you. Now, as you can see here on this doc, I already have my ThinkPad, really, a get knowledge tool, or upload knowledge, whichever I want, and a rating tool, and then a prompt agent. So all I need to really do is make the rating tool. So let's go into the tools, just do it defaultly, text, long text, which is, this will be the script, and then how the input is described to the agent, that explains to the agent what I am doing or what I want it to do. Long text, let's change the syntax of that for the string just to make it easier. Just put copy, and then title it, short description, make it fun, because this looks so boring to everyone except for me. This shit's awesome to me, but I know people trying to start this stuff and learning how to do it. This is going to be those boring bullshit anyone can ever use, and it's pretty fucking understandable how boring it is. But for our next step, we're going to take an LLM, which is a large language model, and we're also going to take a get knowledge step. Get knowledge. So for this one, for my case, I already have a knowledge base, but with a knowledge base, you would upload it either here or head back to home. Save this tool real quick. You'd head back to knowledge, and then you'd upload knowledge, or you'd get a website, or you'd integrate, or you get a blank table, enter the name, and all of that. And then this knowledge will always be there for you to use for any type of thing you need. Just name it copy rating. But coming back to here, I'll just put in a knowledge base I already have. This is a brand identity for the internship I'm doing. And then the next step is, I have this in my email list. This is one of the first things you get, which is a perfect prompt generator. This tool, if you subscribe to my email list, this tool will be right there, and it'll be in the link in the description, so you don't have to worry about finding it somewhere else. It will be in the link in the description. All you need to do is make a clonable template, allow others to make a clone. I copy it. You take that, you clone it, and then you get the exact same tool for me, or from me. For now, for examples, n/a. The more descriptive you are with this, the better. So if I were to just say you are a copywriter, and just click enter, it wouldn't give me anything good. But for example, I can say you are a copywriter for an e-commerce brand that specializes in supplements. And then that makes the prompt even better and better. The general tip with using this tool is to get as specific as possible. For this sake, we're just going to do this basic ass prompt just because I don't want to make this video too long and too boring. It's already boring enough as it is. But also, let me know what you want to see besides just me building shit. Like, if you want conceptual videos or mindset videos or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. but I'm gonna let this run. All right, we have our whole prompt right here. Boom. Check for compliance with the FDA and FTC. Some of these, see, since I'm not specific, they have bullshit like this or some other stuff. Like if I were to put an email copywriter for an e-commerce brand that specializes in supplements, your main goal is to see how persuasive the copy is to get someone to buy, and you will rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Or if you have a step where the agent will give the user actionable steps to change their copy, that would help. And I prefer this method over just having an agent literally remake the copy to be more aligned with the brand. I can prompt it really well, but the problem is you have a lot of nuance with it, and when you read it over, it might not make any sense, or it might follow some basic prompting things like the rules of 3, or if not that, it's this. So there's a few things I want to edit with the copy, especially with the role. It says assess the effectiveness of e-commerce product descriptions. No, it's e-commerce copy, such as ads, scripts, etc., emails, etc. And then analyze the persuasiveness, clarity of health claims, assess the use of emotional triggers, that's good. Technical accuracy, that's good. And then compliance with the FDA, FTC, that doesn't really matter because e-commerce brands don't give a fuck about your health. Some don't. Some do. Just depends. And then we have a few more things, the specifics, the context. I'll go over every individual thing in another video. Right now, we're just making the email tool. So just call it copy rating. And what it would do would be, let's say I had a script. I don't even know. Let me pull up I don't know. Fuck. I don't know how many scripts readily available, but fuck it. So I just stole this this article from somewhere, and I'm gonna run the tool, gets knowledge, then it queues up the LLM. Shit. Let's just call this a live troubleshoot because normally it doesn't do this. Boom, boom. Never mind, my bad. I forgot one little step for bracket copy. So what this bracket does is since it's called copy, it takes the input that I put in, which we named copy earlier, to put it into the prompt, and then it will review this whole thing that I copy pasted with the knowledge. Copy, using the knowledge, data from the knowledge. So this is why you should be very specific when you're prompting the generator, because I forgot to mention that you need to put in the copy and you need to put in the data so the AI knows exactly what to review. So let me run this again. It runs that, and then it sees that it has copy and get knowledge, and it will run that, run through a rating. And sometimes the output may be difficult, maybe different. Sometimes it's really easy. Most of the time it's very easy, but sometimes it might put it into JSON or something else. Now, this would be the output. So you could just use this tool as a copywriter, save and publish that. But to make it a tiny bit better, you head to agents, default, create a new agent. Now this is basically your employee. So let's just call him test critic. I'll give this agent a short description. this guy will edit your copy, or no, rate your copy, and then write instructions. We could create this with AI. So we'll take the tool we just made, which is copy rating, add this tool, and then we could create with AI, or we can write it from scratch by using this. I want to show you a different feature, which is creating with AI. So I'm going to record this long-winded thing. You are a test critic for an e-commerce brand. You will first get the copy rating tool and rate the copy. Then you will summarize the findings into 5 to 10 actionable steps for the employee, intern, or content creator to make changes to and make their copy better. And then that's it. And we'll submit it here, and we'll let the inventor do its thing. As you can see, I gave it this quick little prompt, and the AI made the whole thing for me. Boom, 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 boom. And then in addition to that, just to add some more, I guess, how would you say it? Continuity with the agent and the tool. You put the same knowledge that you put in the tool to the agent, and this will make it run a lot better. So right now, get out of there. I'm going to take the same exact email or the same exact agent I took and put it back in. So we're going to put it back in and just go along with this. And the agent, I mean, I didn't title the agent, but who gives a fuck? This is huge for anyone that's doing copywriting, because now you can get something to rate your copy. It's pretty good. And it understands consumer psychology, understands all that stuff, because I uploaded the knowledge base and I told it those things. So I'm going to have a video up on prompt engineering and a few of my own things that I discovered while I was learning prompt engineering. So as you can see, it's using copy rating tool. Agent is still working. And I want to walk through this whole thing just in case I have any other thoughts or explanations. But this is a really, really simple tool you can make for copywriting. If you're a content creator, if you are a copywriter, this is incredibly good for every type of thing you need to do. You can do it specifically for scripts. You can do it specifically for UGC scripts. It can get as specific as you want. I've been able to get it so specific. It's like a Pilates instructor living in LA and the exact name of her gym, making a script for a video, and boom. So this is the output. These are 10 steps. So it say like, change the headline to be benefit driven and urgent. And then it gives you the why, which is important because AI can tell you to make a change, but you don't know why, which helps a lot with especially newer guys and newer people working in the business, or just people who are unks and are like, why the fuck should I do that? So it's incredibly useful. And that's the video. This is how I make all sorts of stuff. This is how I build my agents. This is everything. I will have the perfect prompt generator in the description of the video. You want it for yourself, go clone it or subscribe to my email list where I'll send it to you in an email. And if you're looking to up your AI game, or you want someone who will build AI agents for you, I have a tally down below. You can schedule a call and I can work with you to make mainly content systems and meta ads, scrapers, and creators for you to give you more time to do what you want while your AI systems run in the background. That's all from me. Peace out. Love y'all.